Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a very healthy and tasty millet Uthappam recipe which can be had as a healthy breakfast. I have already shared the millet Dosa batter recipe. Links will be updated below this video. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make millet Uthappam, into a bowl I have added some millet dosa batter. The recipe for millet dosa batter will be updated below this video. About 3 to 4 shallots finely chopped, 3/4 green chilli finely chopped, and into that I am adding in a small carrot which I have grated, and a small handful of methi leaves, also known as fenugreek leaves. Since this is in season right now, I am using it. A fat pinch of pink Himalayan salt, and now mix this very well. The batter should neither be too thick nor too thin. I am making 2 small uthappams. So I am just adding in 2 ladlefuls of the batter and lightly spread it out and cover it with a lid. I am drizzling in 1/4 teaspoon desi ghee for better nutrient absorption of the millets. Now I am just flipping it over. Serve the millet Uthappam with curry leaves chutney and homemade pickle. Homemade pickle made in the traditional way has gut-friendly probiotics. You can check my mango pickle recipe to understand more. So guys, do try this healthy millet Uthappam and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.